If you work in insurance, you must love filling out ACORD forms. It's just part of the job. Or if you hate them, you have come to the right video. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use Claude CoWork specifically to fill out ACORD forms for you from some messy data. So the first thing you need is a fillable PDF version of the ACORD that you want filled out. As an example, here I have an ACORD 125. You can see that as I highlight over the different fields, I would be able to click on them or type into them. So if you open it in Adobe Acrobat or another PDF tool and you can't type into it easily, you have to find another version. They're available all over the internet for free. If you really can't find one, send me an email, ben@bencanhelp.com. Now, what I'm going to show you is filling out this ACORD 125 based on this email. So you can see this is like an email that I would send to a virtual assistant to have them fill out this info. Instead, I'm just going to have Claude do it. So what I'm going to do is literally take a screenshot of the email. I could connect my Gmail to Claude. I have it connected, but just for this example, I'm going to show you how stupid easy this is. I'm going to drag this screenshot here. I'm going to drag the ACORD 125 PDF from my downloads folder. So you can see now we have both the files, and I'm going to use Whisperflow to say, fill out the ACORD form based on the email that I got. Then I'm going to hit enter. Now what Claude is going to do is it's going to read through that ACORD 125. It's going to see which fields are fillable and what information it needs, and it's going to read through that email. So if you want to see the email, I'm going to show it to you here. I said, please fill in ACORD for Harborview. Here's everything. Here's the business. Here's the address. Here's the contact, LLC, FEIN number, all this stuff. By the way, this is made up information just for the demonstration. Then it has the bank info here, GL policy, broker, etc. So it's going to fill that out. And you can see in the top right, it's checking if the PDF has fillable fields, and then it's going to extract the form fields for us. This is going to take a couple of minutes, so you can go get a coffee, you can continue with your emails, do whatever you want, and Claude will give you a little notification when it's done filling out the form. You can see now Claude says it has everything that it needs to fill out the form. So basically first it went through the form and read what fields it's looking for. Then it read through the screenshot of the email to see what data it has. And now it's going to put it together for us. You can see all 95 fields of the ACORD 125 have been filled out. It took less than 6 minutes for it to do this. And if you save this as a Claude Skill, it works even faster. You can see it added all of the information about the agency, the client, it answered the questions, and we have all the pages filled out here as a PDF that's already saved on my computer. That's it. If I needed to make any changes, I could just type it to Claude, and then Claude could make the edits on the PDF for me. I never even have to open Adobe Acrobat. If you want to learn more about how to use Claude in your business, head over to WhereToBegin.ai. That is a course that I made from my hundreds of hours of teaching people how to use Claude. It is a course for $29. I promise it will teach you all the fundamentals you need to know, and it will make your life way, way simpler. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, email me, ben@bencanhelp.com. Thanks.